So guys, nice scene up there. This is Abdul and today I'm in Tirana in Albania, which is in Eastern Europe. It is a mountainous country, and the city Tirana is also surrounded by mountains. I am in front of Skender Bey, which is the most popular person in Albania. That is the statue there. And let's go and explore Tirana in Albania. So guys, this is the hostel that I got here in Tirana, Albania. My bed space here. You can see it cost $9 per night in October 2017. It is a bit of off season here. That is the main museum here in City Center Square. And that is the 5-star hotel, Tirana International Hotel, and this is the Opera House. In front of this place you will find the free walking tour, which starts at 10 a.m. in the morning every day. That is a nice tour. I recommend taking that. The guy will show you all the places, nearby places in history of Albania. And this is another 5-star hotel called Plaza. And here in the city center square, this is the statue of Skender Bey, which is the most important person in the history of Albania. This is located exactly in the city center square, which is also called Skender Bey Square. Guys doing the free walking tour with Gazi, the man.
Some 300,000 people show on the main road after opening the boat. Big day, big event all day.
Free walking tour exists in almost every city in the world, but I am actually joining this free walking tour for the first time here in Albania, and we're a group of 8 to 10 people, and the guy who is guiding us, it starts from the Opera in the main city square here in Tirana, and the person actually takes you to all the famous places. It is 2 hours tour basically. There is a small restaurant, pizza shop and shawarma shop. Let's go inside and find out what it offers for lunch and the pricing. So guys, this is the meal for lunch I got here in Tirana in that restaurant, with chips and chicken and salad, and this is a combined traditional meal, and it costs $4 US, 450 lek, the local currency, which is equal to $4 US. So that's it. Now here is a market, local market for grocery and cosmetics, and I'm going inside and show you the pricing. The ketchup pricing. This ketchup for $2, and oil for $3 a liter, and milk 1 liter for around $1.25. Here is the juices. Every juice is almost for $1.50, 1 liter. Small juices for like $0.50. You can see the pricing, and as I said, 110 Albanian lek is equal to $1 US. 1 liter water just for 70 cents, and the small bottle is for 40 cents, like this one. I'm getting this one. Drinks, you can see, just for 70 cents, and $1 for any kind of beer or energy drink. And here is the vegetables and fruits. I don't know the price, but it must be cheaper, like maybe $1 for 1 kg for any items. These small shops are everywhere, from where you can buy snacks, cigarettes and drinks etc. for little or cheap price. Going into Turkish restaurant for dinner here in Tirana, and let's see what is the price. This is the menu of the Turkish restaurant in Tirana. You can check the prices. For soup, it is like 250 lek, 200 lek, which is $2, and rice for 250 lek, which means $2, and this rice for 150, which means $1.50. Salad, $2.50. Then we have all the salads for $3 or $2, and then we have this grills. I ordered this simple meal, vegetables and rice, a bread and this water, and this all cost $4.50. So that's for dinner. On the roof of my hostel, from where I can see the city view, like that. A typical street in Tirana, with shops all around, and see the roads. This is Tirana, Albania. Nice traditional bread in Tirana, the main city center in Tirana. That is the city's center square, and the roads. The 200 years old mosque here near Skandar Bey Square. This is from the Ottoman Empire time. In front of the mosque there is a museum and clock tower. A beautiful small park here near city center. Waterfall in the park, beautiful. So guys, I am going to take the cable car in Tirana, which takes you to the mountain, and that is the top of the city. I am going to this bus number 40, which is a few meters from the city center square. This is the bus, blue color, and 40 number is 40. It cost only 40 cents and will take you to the top. So let's go. So nice view there. And this is the cable car station there, from where I will get the cable car to the mountain, and from there I can view the whole city. That is basically the top of the city. The blue bus, which took around 50 minutes to reach here, then I get up the bus there and walked for 10 minutes and then came here, and that is now the cable car station. I will go there, get a ticket, and will board into the cable car, and that will take me to the mountain from where I can see all the city. Entering the cable car station here. I don't know how much it cost. It costs 800 lek or 6 euro for return trip, the cable car, and for children it take 4 euro. So got the ticket for 800 lek, which is equal to $8. That's the cable car. Now in the cable car, I am alone in this all cabin, and it is very safe, secure, and beautiful. You can see, I can see the views, really nice. Going up there, and from there we will have a great view of the Tirana city. Beautiful and green mountains all around. So really enjoyable tour. So nice and great looking fields down there, and beautiful small homes, houses. Just look at that, the beautiful scene here from the cable car. I'm inside the cable car. This is the view. Such a nice view, man. That's it. We finally reached. On the mountains up here, there are beautiful restaurants, hotels, and a nice scene. Oh, let's find the city view. Playing area for kids out there. Great, nice. Another beautiful hotel and restaurant here with a nice view of the city. And this is the cable car station at the top. Now when you go back, you will have to use this station there. A nice parachute activity there. You can see the guys flying for the mountains. And so guys, that is the city view from the top. Beautiful Tirana city from the top. Due to the sun there in front of the camera, you can see there, you will not have the best view possible, but still you can see the city. I will zoom it. A beautiful lake down there in the city. I have zoomed the scene and will now zoom it back. Mountainous city, beautiful and green. So guys, I could not take the best view due to the sun in front of the camera, but I tried my best. So now I'm going back down to take the cable car, the return trip. And again, it cost $8 for the return trip, and you can take the bus from the city to the cable car. That will cost around $1 for return trip, and you can also take a taxi. I don't know how much that cost.
good to see you listen. I'm drawing circles around. I'm drawing circles. Oh, but don't stop me. Don't stop me. I know you tried once or twice. Yeah, but don't do it. Yeah, don't do it. Yeah, I can't stop hitting replay. Flashbacks, found it. Whoa. Headache, pain sake.
A nice local stop here. Cost less than $1. A great and nice view of the city center square or Skinder Bay Square here in Tirana. Cycle stand here. Looks pretty nice to me. A busy street up there and the building under construction, you can see that one. A beautiful, nice and big church there near city center. Another beautiful public park on the other side of city center. That big clock tower is behind the city center square. You can see that. If you just come there and take this way down there, it will take you to Block or Blocko, which is the name of the place where you will find nightlife, bars, clubs, and all what you need here. If you are a nightlife lover, then you can have a great time there in Block or Blocko. Remember the name. Regency Casino in Tirana. Beautiful scene and typical houses, buildings. The Sky Hotel here, and in front of the Sky Hotel there is the street, and that is the Blocko area or block area where you can find all the nightlife, clubs and different things. Up there is the mountain, very easily you can see from the city center. And then this nice and small river here near the city center, and on top of that this cycle sign, or you can say statue of the cycle. Wow. So guys, Albania is a democratic and secular country with Muslim and Christian population, and it was like ruled by different empires. That's why you will find a combination of Turkish, Greek and European lifestyle and architecture all around the city Tirana in the country Albania. Small garments market down there and a very nice street. Bars, cafes and restaurants are everywhere in Tirana city, but Blocko is famous for that. Like, there are so many of them.
You the type to dance till the night times too. I wonder if you plan or if you just move and do what you do, yeah. Seems so cool, but I know you don't sleep well. Know that you dance from all your problems. Maybe you run and stash take the world off your